My video guide is about getting rid of the new ransomware that is called Garsomware. My video, however, is solely for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware, and definitely I'm not promoting this ransomware. I'll just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. So before the ransomware attack, users are able to open their files without any complications, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Garsomware ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the device. And then, of course, users realize that they cannot use their data anymore because of this particular ransomware. The ransomware called Garsomware would encrypt files and then damage them essentially. So after the ransomware attack, it is not possible to use the files anymore. The ransomware, of course, then tells the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is definitely not a good idea. This does not guarantee that your files will be restored. And if you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money. So do not pay the ransom and do not waste your money. The ransomware drops this ransom note. And by the way, the extension that is additionally appended to the file names is absolutely random. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of a reliable anti-ransomware program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. To download it, you will need to use Internet Explorer browser because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts could be additionally damaged by that ransomware. Anyway, go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on a Start Scan button. Most likely the software would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. After the scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus has been successfully updated, Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of threats that were revealed during the scanning. So you'll be able to know their exact locations on the computer. Combo Cleaner is provided with anti-ransomware feature, which allows you to add one or even several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data from further ransomware attacks. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your data always protected.